Let's look at taking our percentage problem to the next level. Let's look at this problem. Milk is 4.5% by mass lactose. Determine the mass of lactose in 175 grams of milk. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is write out what we're given. Lactose is 4.5% by mass in milk, and we're also given 175 grams of milk. What we want is the mass of lactose in this amount of milk. So basically, we have to take 4% of 175. To take a percentage of any value, we change the percentage to its decimal form and then just multiply. So 0.045 times 175 is 7.9%. Grace is going to help us do mass percentages. Okay, good. So let's look at another problem. This is example 13.2 in your textbook. So here's example 13.2. A soft drink contains 11.5% sucrose, which is table sugar, by mass. What volume of soft drink in milliliters contains 85.2 grams of sucrose? Assume the density of the soft 1 gram per milliliter. That makes it easy. Our volume and our gram is going to be the same. So to solve this, I write out everything that's given. 11.5% sucrose, 85.2 grams of sucrose, and what we want is the volume, which in this case is the same as the mass because the density is 1, of the soft drink. Now let me finish, okay? Eat your candy. Where's your candy? Unwrap your candy. Unwrap another candy. To solve this, I just write out my equation. My sucrose mass, which is part, over the total soft drink mass, which is the whole, is equal to 11.5%. And I've changed this to the decimal form of 11.5% so I can do math with it. So now I write in what I'm given, and what I want to do is I want to multiply both sides by x. So my x's on my right cancel out, and then I'm going to divide both sides by 0.115. And when I do, my 0.115 on this side cancels out. And so when I divide 85.2 by 0.115, my calculator tells me 741 grams, which, since the density is 1, is 741 milliliters. And this makes sense. My percentage of sucrose is a little over 10%, and 10% of 741 would be 74 grams. And I have a little bit more than that as my grams of sucrose. So this answer makes sense.